Hello everyone, welcome back for speaking English for every single day. Uh, you know, uh, I didn't I didn't read for a cast from BMKG for today. And when you're living in Jakarta, you already know about it. The really lot rain today since night until the end I jumped out of my bed. I was feeling in the mountains, the weather is really cold, and also my fans as well still switch on, so I jump out of my bed as well to switch off it. And I also had a really long journey while I step out to outside and continue my journey to outside of city Bekasi, I mean. So I'm a little bit exhausted for today. And if I tell you for today, there's a lot of things that happen. I also record the way I walk on the road, the way I open the umbrella, the way I cross the uh, street cross, the way I asking people for directions and all those things because I didn't forget to do that. It's important as well. So uh, I also prepare myself with a raincoat while the weather is getting cold outside. So for instance, I bought a raincoat from someone who stood in front of stations, and also a lot of people were standing in front of the stations, which mean witness for someone who sell the raincoat. You can imagine that. And I thought, and when you take a look to this raincoat, the color is blue, and there's the uh, I don't know, this might be called hat, but it's not the hat we usually use, and it used and it's this hat is connected to the body of the raincoat. I mean, uh, and also um, so this hat is special for a raincoat. I mean, and actually, this raincoat is quite comfortable to for who wanna use this in cold in a rainy day because you you were not gonna in touch with rain outside. Yeah, it could cover your body for overall your body. So let me try it. Let me try on, and if sweet on with me, and it's a little bit uh, nice. So this is the look like while I use these raincoats. You can imagine that. I also can pull these lines, which means the round on my face will getting uh, getting little or getting narrow. Okay. So that's my little story. I wish you enjoy that. I wish you share your thought as well. Comment down below. Okay, thank you guys.